For thousands of years, farming changed very slowly. Farmers depended mostly on rain, animals, and human labor. But today, agriculture is entering a completely new era. The farms of the future are no longer science fiction, they already exist. And these technologies may completely transform how humanity produces food. The world population continues growing rapidly, which means food demand is increasing every year. At the same time, agriculture faces serious challenges: climate change, drought, soil degradation, and water shortages. Traditional farming methods alone may not be enough for the future. This is why smart agriculture is becoming critically important. A smart farm uses technology to improve farming decisions. Modern farms now use sensors, drones, artificial intelligence, and automation. Sensors can monitor soil moisture in real time. Drones can scan thousands of hectares in minutes. Using machine learning, farms analyze crop health, weather conditions, disease risks, and irrigation needs. The result is faster and more efficient farming. Some modern tractors no longer need drivers. Autonomous machines can work day and night without stopping. Robots are also entering crop production. Some robots plant seeds with incredible precision, others remove weeds without chemicals. Automation may dramatically change farm labor in the future. Agricultural drones are transforming farming rapidly. These flying machines can detect crop problems before humans see them. Drones now monitor pests, diseases, water stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Some drones can spray fertilizer and pesticides precisely. This reduces chemical waste and environmental pollution. Water may become agriculture's most valuable resource. Future farms must use water more efficiently. Modern drip irrigation systems operating carefully. Smart irrigation systems deliver water only where needed. AI systems now predict irrigation schedules automatically. This helps farms save water during drought conditions. Livestock farming is becoming increasingly technological. Some farms now use robotic milking systems 24 hours a day. AI systems monitor animal health continuously. These detect disease early and improve productivity. Future livestock farms may become highly automated. Some farms are moving indoors. Vertical farms grow crops in stacked layers. These systems use less land and less water. AI controls lighting, temperature, and nutrients automatically. Future cities may eventually produce food inside buildings. Future farms are increasingly powered by renewable energy. Solar-powered irrigation systems reduce fuel costs. Green farming reduces pollution while protecting the environment. Many future farms may become energy independent. Africa has enormous agricultural potential. Countries like Ethiopia are increasingly adopting modern farming technologies. Young farmers are using smartphones, drones, and AI tools. Technology may help improve food security and create millions of jobs. The future farm is no longer just an idea, it is already transforming agriculture around the world. The next generation of farms may become smarter, cleaner, and more productive. Because feeding the future will require innovation. Subscribe to AI Media, AI for more future farming, smart agriculture, and technology documentaries.